Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Tuesday, May 27. And like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going?
Hi David, I'm good, thanks. How are you today?
Not bad, just need this coffee to wake up. It's a busy day ahead.
I know, right? I've got a big meeting later.
Same here, always running around for sales. So did you hear any news this morning?
Yeah, I read something interesting about international politics. Sweden is trying to make a list of their official culture.
What? Like a list of cool Swedish stuff?
Kind of. They want to decide what is truly Swedish, like music or traditions.
Haha, imagine if we did that here. My list would just be coffee and deadlines.
That's funny. But some people in Sweden are not happy about it.
Why not? It sounds like a fun idea.
They think it's hard to agree on what's important. It's causing a big debate.
I get it. In sales, we argue about what's important all the time.
True. It's not easy to make everyone happy.
Speaking of tough stuff, I saw some news about the economy. Tech companies in Europe might face new trade rules with the US.
Oh, really? What kind of rules?
Something about taxes or tariffs, I think. It could make things more expensive for them.
That's a problem. Many tech projects depend on good trade between countries.
Yeah, and for sales, if tech costs go up, my clients won't be happy. More headaches for me.
I see your point. We need to watch how this changes our budgets, too.
Exactly. I just hope it doesn't mess up my deals.
Let's hope not. I'll check more about it after my meeting.
Good idea. Hey, did you see anything fun in the news? I need a break from serious stuff.
Yes, I did. The American Music Awards are happening tonight.
Oh, nice. Who's hosting it this year?
Jennifer Lopez. It's going to be a big show with lots of stars.
Wow, that's cool. I bet the office chat will be all about it tomorrow.
Probably. I like seeing the performances. They're always so creative.
Me too. I might watch some clips online after work if I'm not too tired.
Same here. It's a nice way to relax after a long day.
For sure. Hey, do you think they'll play any old songs I know?
Maybe. They often mix new and old music.
Cool. I'm crossing my fingers. For something from the 90s, that's my jam.
We'll see. I like the surprises they bring every year.
True. Man, talking about music makes me forget my to-do list for a bit.
I know. It's nice to chat about something light for a change.
Yeah. But I guess we can't stay here all day. Got any big plans after your meeting?
Just some reports to finish? What about you?
More calls with clients. I'm always on the phone.
Sounds busy. Good luck with that.
Thanks, I'll need it. Hey, did you finish your coffee already?
Almost. I'm taking it slow today.
Haha, I'm on my second cup. I need the energy.
You're funny. I think 1 cup is enough for me.
Fair enough. So, about that Sweden thing, do you think it'll change anything for us?
Not directly. But it's interesting to see how countries define themselves.
Yeah, I guess. Maybe it'll help their tourism or something?
Could be. It might bring more business for some industries.
True. And more business is always good for sales. I'll take any new leads.
Always thinking about work. I like that focus.
Gotta keep the numbers up. What about the tech trade news? Worried for your projects?
A little? If costs rise, we might need to adjust our plans.
Oh, adjustments. That's just a fancy word for more work.
You're right, but we'll figure it out as a team.
Yeah, we always do. Hey, who do you think will win at the music awards tonight?
Hard to say. Maybe one of the new artists.
I'm rooting for someone with a good beat. I need new music for my car rides.
That's a good reason. I hope they show the winners online soon.
Me too. I'll check it out if I'm not stuck on emails all night.
Same. It's nice to have something fun to look forward to.
Totally. Well, I guess my coffee break is over.
Mine too. Time to get back to the desk.
Yeah, let's do this. Have a good day, Alex.
You too, David. See you later.
Catch you at the next coffee break? Don't work too hard.
I'll try not to. Take care.
You too. Let's hope for no surprises today.
Fingers crossed. See you soon.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.